Hi guys, good morning, it's Ria here from Maisie Moo. I thought I'd just jump on to show you this one because there's a few different options and pieces included. Now this is my tassel mix and match earring design, and what it is it's four different shapes, four different tassel shapes. You've got sort of your asymmetric there, you've got your rounded here, got your little point, and then just straight across. So there's three different sizes. You can see 1, 2, 3. We've got small, medium, large, and you can mix and match. So you could easily have you know, your round one on here with your square bottom. It's up to you. I've also given you 4 different shapes that you can pop on the top so that you can create all different types of earring shapes. You could go all one color if you wanted to, but they will come with holes like these ones here, and they'll come without holes. So I've made 2 up already. I've just gone with all the same shapes for each one, but they have been put together a little bit differently. Now this one here is glued. What I've done is I have put the jump ring through, and we'll do it with this one here, through the 1, 2, 3 holes. Okay, so you could actually wear them like that if you wish, but we have got these cap pieces here. The idea is that you're going to fold over, and then you've got the top there that you can insert your next jump ring through. Okay, so you've got it through the other side, and then all you want to do is just glue these 2 pieces down. Okay, so how much you might need to use a little bit more glue than I have, but it gives you the idea, and then you can just add your hardware. Now, you may not want to make them with all 3 layers. You could just make them with a couple of layers. And this one here is a little bit different. So I thought it would be quite fun to insert a rivet. Now, so we'll go on and I'll show you how you pop on the rivet option. Now this, you will need your punch. Mine's a little bit old, but it works perfectly fine. And I've got my hammer. Now I've got my pieces here, and you can see there's no holes in them at all. I need to punch my holes in there. So what I'm going to do is you fold over and just going to probably put it quite centered, where you don't want it too far down, because obviously you've got your tassels there, so you don't want to be punching your hole through there. So I'm going to line it up about there. There we go. Okay, so you can see I've got a hole. I'm going to fold over the cap, and I'm going to make sure it's even, and then punch a hole in the other side. Sorry if that's noisy. Okay, so you can see I've got 2 holes there, and I'm going to proceed to do the same on each layer. Pop that out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So now, because there is no jump ring at the top of these pieces here, what I've done is I've just taken a piece of wire, can you see that there, and using my wee tool here, I've just created a hoop. And the idea is that there, that little ring's going to just pop out the top. I'll trim the ends, and then once this is all been riveted in place, that can't come out. And you're going to put a jump ring there too, so that will hold on. So we'll do that now. Okay, so let's grab a rivet. Now this is my rivet set. I've had this for ages. There's all different lengths, and I'm going to use the longest one because I've got 3 layers. Now remember, you don't need to do 3 layers if you don't want to. It's up to you. So we're going to start. Now, it's quite thick faux, so We'll see how we go. I think it will all go through because it did with that one. Right, so I'm lining that up. See? We'll do the next layer. There we go, through. I'm going to insert my wee ring there, then fold that over. Now, it's up to you if you want to trim the wire now or later. I might. Right, so you want to make sure everything's nice and straight. Okay, so there we go. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different shapes there, which you can mix and match. I hope that was straightforward enough. 2 options, and I imagine you can probably find other ways, but however you choose to do it, I think they look quite effective, especially in these bold colours that I've used here. Patterns would work well. I've got to put a top on that one. I'll do that in a minute. But anyway, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you know just to reach out. Have fun with these. See you, thanks, bye.